One of India's most significant social welfare laws over the last 2 decades has been the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, what you know as MNREGA. Now, the Indian government has introduced a new legislative framework. It's called the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Bill 2025, which again you have heard as VBG Ramji Bill. This is to replace the existing MNREGA law. So what exactly was Mahatma Gandhi NREGA? Enacted in 2005, it was a rights-based law guaranteeing at least 100 days of paid unskilled work per financial year to rural households whose adult members volunteer for such work. The Act established a legal entitlement. Citizens could demand work and the government was obligated to provide it. Failure to do so triggered unemployment allowance provisions. MNREGA aimed to enhance livelihood security and contribute to rural infrastructure and, importantly, asset creation. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has long been critical of MNREGA, describing it in the past as a symbol of policy failure and arguing that it entrenched poverty instead of creating sustainable livelihoods. He's consistently maintained that welfare programs should prioritize permanent livelihood creation over short-term wage support. At the same time, MNREGA spending expanded significantly under the Modi government, particularly during periods of economic stress such as the COVID pandemic, when allocations were increased to provide income support to millions of rural households. So now let's talk about the change. What is the VBG Ramji Bill? This bill is a proposed statute that seeks to replace MNREGA with a reformed rural employment and development framework. It was tabled in the Lok Sabha. It's become a central part of the government's plan to modernize rural job provision and link it more closely with broader development goals. So here are the key differences between the existing MNREGA framework and the new VBG Ramji Bill. First is on guaranteed work days. MNREGA guarantees 100 days of wage employment per rural household annually. Now, the VBG Ramji Bill proposes to raise this entitlement to 125 days per financial year. And then there's funding pattern. Under MNREGA's unskilled wage costs were borne entirely by the centre. Now, the new bill introduces cost sharing with states. So we're talking about a 60-40 split for most states and 90-10 for select Northeast and Himalayan states and some union territories. That's another change. Now, budgeting framework. MNREGA followed an open-ended, demand-driven model with funding linked to actual demand for work. VBG Ramji replaces this with what's referred to as a normative allocation system, under which the centre fixes annual state-wise allocation. Any excess spending would be the responsibility of the state, so expenditure is capped. The other big difference is on seasonal pause. MNREGA allowed work throughout the year. The new framework permits states to pause employment for up to 60 days during peak agricultural seasons such as sowing and harvesting. Now, on wage payments, MNREGA mandated wage payments within 15 days with compensation for delays. The VBG Ramji Bill proposes weekly or fortnightly wage payments while retaining existing notified wage rates. So what's prompted this change? According to the government, the VBG Ramji Bill is part of an effort to modernize rural employment law and align it with long-term goals like livelihood diversification, infrastructure development, and broader rural productivity objectives. Supporters of the draft argue that raising the number of workdays and introducing structured planning mechanisms will strengthen outcomes. Now, this replacement has sparked debate across the political spectrum. Critics argue that shifting from a demand-based legal guarantee to a budgeted allocation model and introducing pauses during peak agricultural periods could weaken the enforceable right to work that was a hallmark of MNREGA. Opposition leaders have also raised concerns about the name change, about the removal of Mahatma Gandhi's name and the potential dilution of the scheme's right-based framework.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.